Hello snakes, my name is Dante and today I'm doing an Ikoria pre-release pack at home. So yeah, since of all the coronavirus we cannot do this at the store, so we're just opening it at home. Yeah, so we got that really cool Ikoria die. Ooh, Frontland Felidar? Wait, what? That's so cool. And yeah, so let's just see. Yeah. Just first open up one booster of those. That's really cool. Tentative Connection. Dranif Healer. Unexpected Fangs. Adventurous Impulse. Face Dolphin. Cathartic Reunion. What? Alternate art Vulpiki? No way! So cool. Sleeper Dart, Mysterious Egg, Fire Prophecy, Fighters 1, Royale Bonder, Mystic Subdual, and no way! It's alternate art Snapdas, Apex of the Hunt. Wow, that's so cool. That's our first mythic there. Blossoming Sands, and our keyword counters tracker. Wow. Next up. Oh, Human Soldier. Divine Arrow. Lurking Deadeye. Humble Naturalist. Starting Development. Frenzied Raptor. Solid Footing. Gloom Pangolin. Fertilid. Patagia Tiger, Crustacean, Neutralize, Lead the Stampede. Whoa, Lord Drakus alternate art. What is with those boosters? Wow. That is just so cool. So yeah. And Mythos of Nephroi. And a Swamp. Yeah. And so wow, the land thing is quite similar in the Ikoria that it is on the core sets, because the core sets have dual lands and basic lands. Now this one also has like dual lands and basic lands that have that slot. Serrated Scorpion, Sun Spinneret, Frostlint, Granite Stinger, Checkpoint Officer, Deadweight, Cloud Piercer, Essence Symbiote, Anticipate, Dark Bargain, Momentum Rumbler, whoa, Splendor Mare, and wow, that's just cool. Sprite Dragon and Rogrin Triome, wow, that's so cool. Rugged Highlands, yeah, it's oh, double-sided advertisement. Dranif Healer, Unexpected Fangs, Adventurous Impulse, Face Dolphin, Cathartic Reunion, Divine Arrow, Aegis Turtle, Survivor's Bond, Rumbling Rock Slide, Anticipate, Rogrin Crystal, Reptilian Reflection, Insatiable Hemorrhage, and Indanfa Triumph. Wow! Double Triumph. And a Jungle Hollow. Just nope that. Dinosaur. Ooh. It was just damaged somehow. Lurking Deadeye. Humble Naturalist. Starting Development. Frenzied Raptor. Solid Footing. Serrated Scorpion. Snare Tactician. Migratory Greathorn. Hampering Snare, Suffocating Fume, so there's no foil on it. Fighters 1, Proud Wow Bonder, Mystic Subdual, and Eerie Ultimatum. Whoa, that is just so good. Any mountain. And the final one. Wow, I can't believe no foils. Wow, that's so weird. Okay, Sun Spinnerets. Did they just up the foil? No, wait, what? Oh, still 1 in 3 rates. I thought they just upped the rates again. Like, it was 1 in 6, then 1 in 3, and now Still 1 in 3. I thought they just upped the rates of the foils. Certain foils were less likely. I don't know. Blizzard Slit, Terran Whisperer, Neutralize, Leader Stampede. Whoa, another Lord Drakk's alternate art. Umori Companion. Wait, a foil? Blossoming Sands? And there's a foil Plains. Wow. Recently when I was talking about the foil, there we go. That's the foil. And nothing else. So yeah, comment down below which of these cards you like the most, which one can me use in a deck. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, follow my Twitch channel, and bye!